Hey everyone, it's Jeremiah with American Capital with your weekly market update. Go over where rates have been, where they are now, and where things are going when it comes to the marketplace. So what you'll see first on the screen right here, hope you like the picture of me and my dogs and my wife in the background. What you'll see here is kind of where rates were at their peak when they were doing really well back in September of last year. Now, I've gotten a lot of questions. Jeremiah, do you think they're going to get to this place again? I would say probably not. What we've seen is kind of a downward trend in the marketplace due to the fact there have been a couple announcements by the Fed and some other things that have led people to pull out of the bond market, as well as some statements that when it comes to quantitative easing, which is basically the government putting money into the bond market to keep rates at a lower range, they're going to be letting up on that a little bit. So we are going to see interest rates going back up as we already have. So kind of a general thing to keep in mind, again, when you're looking at this, is when the bond market's going down like this in price, that means that rates are generally going up. Now, what you'll see for today is things have generally stayed around the same range, around that 100 range throughout the day today. This kind of reminds me of a heart rate monitor or something like that, but what you'll notice is it stayed around that kind of 100 range for today and stabilized more recently around this range. Now what this means is that interest rates more recently have gone up from that low twos or high twos and low threes to more of a low fours to high fours range more recently. When you're talking about a 30-year fixed and things like that, and get rid of that. So where are they going? It can be anyone's guess because they could come out with some sort of statement tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow being Saturday, but say on Monday they come out with some sort of statement, that could make them go up again or make interest rates drop. But generally speaking, we're looking at maybe them staying stable for a while until the Fed has another big meeting where they come up with maybe some statements afterwards. We may see some fluctuation a little bit around that time, and then depending on what their decisions are that they've come to, that'll impact kind of where rates go at that point in time. So if you have any questions about any of this stuff, you yourself or somebody that you know as far as rates are concerned, or you've been wondering, should you buy or refinance at this point in time? As a side note, I would say, generally speaking, if you've been looking at it and you're possibly ready to do it, as in you have all your ducks in a row, I would definitely suggest, as a lot of people would, to start taking a look at that now. But give me a call if you have any questions, 949-330-7058. Again, 949-330-7058, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you might have. All right? Hope you had a great week. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next week. Take care.